In the Utilities section, there are two additional menus. In the Picture Insert tools, there are various tools to speed up the insertion and placement of pictures, primarily in a table as cell backgrounds. Insert in Size allows you to navigate to, and select a picture to insert. The selected picture is centered on the slide, and sized to 1.75 inches wide. Insert across or down a table row or column, allows you to multi-select pictures to set as table cell backgrounds. The cursor must be inside the first cell that you wish to change. Clicking the button will display a file open dialog for you to navigate to, and select the pictures to insert. The Insert Table function inserts a table that can be used as a starting point to add pictures. Paste to Size Cascade allows you to add multiple images to your slide. Prior to clicking, the user copies images from Windows Explorer to the clipboard. This macro will paste the contents from the clipboard to fit a rectangle drawn by you, cascading the results if multiple images have been copied. Finally, Remove Pictures eliminates any cell background images in the selected table, while maintaining the style. Basically, erasing any pictures in the table. The following is a demonstration of some of the previously described functions. In the Miscellaneous Tools of the Utilities section, there are 12 different functions. The first one, Convert to PTC Template, converts a single slide to work with the EnP Tools Excel macro, create a problem tracking chart from template. Essentially, this feature allows you to convert any single slide presentation into a template that can be populated from any Excel sheet. Note: the sheet must be prepared using the Prep PTC Sheet function in EnP Tools for Excel. This tool works best with slides utilizing rectangles and text boxes. The slide shape's text options must be set appropriately, for example, shrink text on overflow, margins, alignment, etc. This tool does not change the existing formatting. Note: it is not intended for tables. You can map up to 16 fields from Excel to the slide. You must identify each shape to be mapped, by entering a number between 1 and 16, as the shape's text value. Running the macro will rename each of the identified shapes. The new names are used to identify where to paste the corresponding data from Excel. Note: the slide is saved in the Documents folder. Copy shapes to Slide Master. Copies the currently selected shapes to all slide masters in the active presentation. The selected shapes are cut from the slide, and pasted on the slide masters in the active presentation. New slides will now have those shapes displayed on them. This is useful for adding text such as control numbers to all current slides as well as any new slides. Copy text to notes. Copies the text from the selected shapes to the notes area, in the order they are selected. Please note, this does not work for tables. Cycle Fill Colors provides a quick way to cycle through specific fill colors on the selected shapes. The colors cycle are light blue, dark blue, light gray, orange, and white. On occasion, you may wish to delete animation included in a presentation. Delete All animation will do that for you. Delete Slide Master Shapes. Deletes any Slide Master shapes added by EnP Tools. Essentially, this deletes any shapes in the active presentation Slide Masters, added using the Copy Shapes to Slide Master function above. Extract media to folders. Copies the embedded sound, video and image files from the presentation, to a set of specific folders. Windows Explorer is open to the targeted folder. Merge Text Shapes. Merges the selected shapes with text into the last selected shape, and removes all but the merged result. Tables, charts and images cannot be included in the selection. The text is merged with a line feed, in the order that the shapes were selected. The Personal Tab Creator opens a presentation which includes a Personal tab on the ribbon that can be used to run up to 10 user-created macros. This can be used to create your own add-ins, if you are interested. Set Default Template. Sets the currently selected slide as a default template, which includes the current presentation slide masters. The next time a new presentation is created or PowerPoint opened, A new default theme based on the slide will be available. Only the design elements included in the presentation slide masters are carried over. If you wish to include items such as images, slide backgrounds, etc., they must be included in the source presentation slide master. Restore default template. Deletes any user-created blank template located in the user's templates folder. Shape stats provides the dimensions and position of the selected shape in both points and inches. A point is a unit of measurement that is equal to 1/72 of an inch.